Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code and it is much faster way than the other one, which will require opening the settings. But of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the secret code. So let's enter the dialer because this is the place where we will enter it. Let's tap on the keypad and let me enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another way which I've mentioned before. If for some reason the secret code won't work, then you will still be able to check them. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and let me change the brightness a little bit. Okay, so if we are here, we have to enter the About phone, and right now let's tap on the status. And as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. What's more, right here we've got the serial number of this device. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your REALME C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.